Centr by Chris Hemsworth Elite Fitness App pricing explained what you get for your money. Centr Elite costs around per month or annually. Most people think it's just another workout app, but the surprising truth is that it combines fitness, nutrition, and mindfulness into a full lifestyle platform curated by Chris Hemsworth and professional trainers. Subscribers gain access to hundreds of workouts, including strength, height, yoga, and mobility sessions. The app also offers personalized meal plans, guided meditations, and wellness programs to support mental and physical health. Centr's team provides tailored advice to match fitness levels, dietary preferences, and lifestyle goals. For your money, you're not just getting workouts, you're getting a complete wellness system. Centr makes it easy to stick to a plan and achieve long-term health improvements. Users report higher engagement and better results thanks to the app's variety and expert guidance. In conclusion, Centr Elite delivers value by combining exercise, nutrition, and mindfulness in one accessible platform. If you're looking for a holistic approach to fitness and wellness, this app offers a premium experience worth every dollar.